Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you. Well, before we talk about the clothing, though, I'd like to just showcase a little glimpse of the magic that emerged when Saif Ali Khan and Selected Arm India came together. Let's take a look. Well, I've got to say, Saif, you look amazing there. You look amazing now. And Vineet, you're looking so sharp as well. You're both wearing Selected, obviously. All right, can I get you both to take a mic each so everyone can hear you? And for starters, can we just talk about, Saif, why the brand resonates with you and a little bit about your decision to come on board as an ambassador?
I'm really honored that they've asked me to be the brand ambassador. I don't think they've ever had a brand ambassador before. So it's a great compliment that they think I'm stylish. And I think they are very stylish. And one of the things that I really respect about the brand is the fact that they're also very sustainable. They use organic cotton. And I think the environment should be of paramount importance to all of us all the time these days. So when a brand gives you style and fit and elegance and at the same time is environmentally responsible, that gives the brand soul. And for me, that's a reason that I'm extremely proud to associate.
Thank you.
That's great. That's such a good reason. I mean, right now I feel like sustainability is the need of the hour, and being a socially conscious brand is just so important. But Vineet, can we also hear from you a little bit about what sort of the Selected Man stands for and why Saif is such a great choice?
I think Saif is unprecedented, the Selected Arm Man. I think when we thought about having a face to the brand, we couldn't think about anyone else except Saif. I think his style is perfect match to the brand. I think he's also lives the same values as we live. And I think he also cares about sustainability and the friendly environment because I think that's a large responsibility we all have. And I think when we looked at it, we only thought about one name and we spoke to him, and I think it's been a great journey. It's been a short start. We just started recently, but I think we'll continue this journey for a while, and you'll see much more from us and Saif together.
Saif, how would you describe your own sense of style?
I don't know. I think it would be quite classic, I would have thought, but also quite casual. And in that sense, again, if you go to the Selected store, whether it's a white T-shirt and blue jeans or, you know, a suit and a fairly classic suit, you could find both those things like you would in my wardrobe.
And were there any favorites from the store or from the campaign?
Yes, in fact, they've made a little section of things that I've selected. There's a beautiful green linen suit, which would be perfect for this weather. There's so many things. There's a lovely pair of blue jeans, many T-shirts. Again, that organic cotton fabric is so soft, something that you can wear in our weather, you know, and not sweat. So, which is an important thing. I feel quite hot most of the time. So it's nice for me.
All right, can I get both of you gentlemen to just take us through 3 pieces that you think are must-haves in any man's wardrobe?
I think a blue denim, as he said, a crisp white shirt, and a tan shoe. I think that's something from my perspective must-have in any wardrobe.
I mean, just add to that maybe a white shirt and a black suit, and you have everything that you could possibly need, you know, I think, really.
Are there any items of clothing that you love, but that the women in your life despise?
I have a very old sweater that I bought in the 90s that has a few holes in it and has fallen apart. And I think it slightly embarrasses my wife, even though she likes it, but I think she wouldn't mind if it got lost.
And what about you, Vineet?
I think it's the first pair of denim which I bought. I think it's still that. I don't fit in much into it, but I still give up to throw it away. Maybe someday I'll fit in back in that. Maybe. Let's see what happens with that.
You know, I think lots of women now really love wearing their boyfriend's clothes. I personally love wearing my boyfriend's clothes. Are there any items of clothing that your wife shares or steals from your cupboard?
Well, a lot of her T-shirts end up in my cupboard but I mean, I won't fit into them.
I think T-shirts is something, and even actually at times shirts. It's a big trend to have the shirt.
Absolutely. I feel like the boyfriend shirt, boyfriend jeans, sweatshirts, it's a whole look now.
Yeah.
Maybe we can come to the Selected Arm shop to shop for ourselves as well.
For sure.
All right. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Is there any last words about the brand, about this collaboration and the vision going forward for Saif as the face of Selected Arm in India?
I think it's a perfect match, and we'd like to take Selected to new heights. And I think this association together will add value to the brand. And we hope that we could also collaborate one day and create some products which SAF can style, maybe. And I think that could be a great collaboration
I think that would
for
be
us.
really exciting.
Yeah.
I love clothes, and I love the kind of clothes that Selected does. So it's an organic fit, and I look forward to a future.
Yeah, for sure we could do something around collaboration with his taste and.
Thank you so much. You both just look fantastic in the selected items that you're wearing. Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Thank you.
You so much for all being here, ladies and gentlemen, and definitely go check out all the fantastic menswear at the Selected Arms store in the mall. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can we just get a few more pictures?
Thank you.
Thank you.
पेपर राइट में, पेपर राइट में, आपके राइट में।